Ingonyama uMisuzulu kaZwelithini beyembethwe amabutho kulomcimbi okubungaza impilo kakhokho wayo Ingonyama uDinuzulu kaCetshwayo.
I hope we can explore mutual beneficial arrangements that will allow these royal grounds to serve as a significant tourism destination, enriching the lives of the local community. The Zulu royal family is prepared to discuss these ideas to work towards the future.
Imbube income kakhulu umsebenzi owenziwe elibeni likakhokho wayo.
I'm very happy with our friends who for so many years have looked after the heritage, the grave sites for many years on behalf of the nation and the Zulu royal family. We give you a great round of applause for such respect.
Inhlangano i-AfriForum kanye nohulumeni waseMpumalanga bazibophezele ekuthuthukiseni le ndawo nokuqhamuka namasu okuthuthukisa umnotho wakule ndawo.
We look at agricultural projects such as indigenous goat projects, such as the planting of vegetables and other seed-related agricultural products. So hopefully we can let this just grow and grow in the future.
Kithi kuyinjongo futhi kuyimandate ukuthi lezi ndawo esifana nalezi sizilondoloze sibone ukuthi yini kungenzeka la ukuze lo mlando kule ndawo ungalahleki.
Kuleli plazi ilapho Ingonyama uDinuzulu yakhothama khona eminyakeni ku-111 edlule.